Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about the examples before trigonometry trigonometry chapter, before first exercise, some important very short answer type questions that I am going to discuss. Let us have a discussion. The first question here. The first question here. If secant theta plus tan theta equal to 2 by 3, find the value of sin theta and determine the quadrant in which theta lies. So secant theta plus tan theta value is given. So 1 minute. So given secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 2 by 3. The relation between secant theta and tan theta, we have secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. It is in the form of a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b we can apply. So secant theta minus tan theta into secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1. So secant theta plus tan theta value is given now. So I want secant theta minus tan theta. So secant theta minus tan theta make as a subject, which is equal to 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. That is equal to 1 by secant theta plus tan theta value is 2 by 3. Substitute here. So denominator of denominator it will become a numerator. So 3 by 2. Therefore, secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 3 by 2. Equation 1, equation 2. After getting both the equations, first you have to add both the equations. After that you have to subtract both the equations. So now equation 1 plus equation 2. That implies that equation 1 is what? Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 2 by 3. Second equation, secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 3 by 2. So we are adding both the equations. Plus tan theta minus tan theta get cancelled. Secant theta plus secant theta 2 secant theta is equal to 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2, which is equal to LCM is 6. 3 2s are 2 into 2 4 plus 2 3s are 3 3s are 9. That is equal to 13 by 6 is equal to 2 into secant theta. So secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. So secant theta value we got it. Similarly, we are going to subtract equation 1 minus equation 2. That implies that secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 2 by 3. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 3 by 2. While subtracting, sign changes. Here plus is there minus, minus is there plus, here minus. So secant theta minus secant theta get cancelled. Tan theta plus tan theta 2 tan theta, which is equal to 2 by 3 minus 3 by 2. You take LCM here 6. So 3 2s are 2 2s are 4 minus 2 3s are 3 3s are 9. So minus 5 by 6 is equal to 2 tan theta. So tan theta is equal to minus 5 by 12. From these two, observe carefully dear students. Secant theta is positive. Secant theta here it is positive. Tan theta is negative. secant theta positive, tan theta negative, in which quadrant it is possible? So secant theta positive, tan theta negative, therefore the theta value belongs to Q4. In fourth quadrant it is possible. In fourth quadrant cos and secant positive, tan and the rest of the values will be negative. So tan is negative, secant is positive, then theta belongs to Q4. They are asking to find the value of sin theta and determine the quadrant in which theta lies. Theta lies fourth quadrant. Now we have to calculate sin theta value. So sin theta value how to calculate? Sin theta is equal to, sin theta value is the ratio of tan theta and secant theta. That is equal to tan theta value, sin theta by cos theta, secant theta 1 by cos theta get cancelled, sin theta only will come. So sin theta can be expressed as the ratio of tan and secant. So tan theta value is what? Minus 5 by 12 by secant theta value 13 by 12. So both the denominators will be cancelled, which is equal to minus 5 by 13. Therefore the value of sin theta, which is equal to minus 5 by 13. Hence the value of sin theta is minus 5 by 13. We'll move on to the next question. The next question, it is very important for 2 marks, very short answer type questions in trigonometry. If cos theta plus sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta, prove that cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. See here, given cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. So this cos theta I am taking this side. So sin theta make as a subject. Sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta minus cos theta. Take common cos theta here. Cos theta into root 2 minus 1, which is equal to cos theta into the rationalizing factor of root 2 minus 1 is root 2 plus 1. So multiplying and dividing by rationalizing factor. So root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1. So after that, it is numerator in the form of a minus b into a plus b. A plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square. So cos theta into root 2 whole square is 2, 1 square is 1 by root 2 plus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore sin theta is equal to, so sin theta equal to cos theta divided by root 2 plus 1. So they are asking to prove cos theta minus sin theta. So cross multiplying sin theta into root 2 plus 1 is equal to cos theta. So that implies that root 2 into sin theta plus 1 into sin theta is equal to cos theta. So they are asking to prove cos theta minus sin theta. So this minus sin theta we can take here. Therefore, cos theta, sin theta we are taking here. So minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. Hence, proved. We'll move on to the next question, dear students. The The next question, prove that cot pi by 16, cot 2 pi by 16, cot 3 pi by 16 and so on, cot 7 pi by 16 is equal to 1. So how to prove this value as 1? See here, LHS. So cot pi by 16 into cot 2 pi by 16 into cot 3 pi by 16. I will write all the terms till 7 pi by 16. I am going to write, dear students. Cot 4 pi by 16, cot 5 pi by 16, cot 6 pi by 16 into cot 7 pi by 16. This result we have to prove equal to this product of these angles, cot angles is equal to 1. Here, observe carefully. Except cot 4 pi by 6, here 4 ones are 4 fours are, cot pi by 4 will come, that value is 1. So, cot pi by 16 into here 6 pi by 16 is there, no? Pi by 2 minus pi by 16. So how it will come? See, LCM is 16, 2 8s are 8 pi minus pi. So 7 pi. This cot pi by 16 can be written as, first you write this one and this one. Cot 7 pi by 16. How to write? Pi coefficient is 1, pi coefficient is 7. So 1 plus 7, 8. Like this here, 2 plus 6, 8. So cot 2 pi by 16 into cot 6 pi by 16 and cot 3 pi by 16 into cot 5 pi by 16 into last one is cot 4 pi by 16. Here 7 pi by 16 can be written as pi by 2 minus pi by 16. 6 pi by 16 can be written as pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 16. These are the logics, dear students. Learn thoroughly. Here I am putting that dot mark. These values we are going to convert in terms of pi by 2. So here 7 pi by 16 can be written as pi by 2 minus pi by 16. Next one, 6 pi by 16 is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 16. Next, 5 pi by 16 is equal to pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 16. So this is the way we are going to write. See, after that how it will come? Cot pi by 16 into cot of pi by 2 minus pi by 16. It is over. Next come to second bracket. Cot 2 pi by 16 into cot pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 16. Third one, cot 3 pi by 16 into cot pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 16. Cot 4 pi by 16, that is cot pi by 4. 4 ones are 4 fours are. Now, cot of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Cot of pi by 2 minus theta is tan theta. And cot pi by 4 value is 1, no? That is standard result. So, which is equal to cot pi by 16 into cot of pi by 2 minus pi by 16, tan pi by 16 into cot 2 pi by 16 into tan 2 pi by 16 cot 3 pi by 16 into tan 3 pi by 16 cot pi by 4 value is 1 and one more value cot theta into tan theta is always equal to 1. Why? Because cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta or tan theta can be written as 1 by cot theta. So they are both are reciprocals to each other. So tan theta into cot theta. The first term is in this form, cot theta into tan theta. So that value is 1. Cot theta into tan theta. Both angles are same in this. So this first bracket value is 1. Into second bracket value is also 1. Third bracket value is also 1. Into 1. So ultimately that value is equal to 1. So therefore RHS value as 1. They are asking to prove now. Hence proved. That is cot pi by 16 into cot 2 pi by 16 into cot 3 pi by 16 and so on. Cot 7 pi by 16 is equal to 1. Hence proved. We'll move on to the next question, dear students. The next question. Find the value of 2 times of sine power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 3 times of sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. So find the value. You have to consider the value here. 2 times of sine power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 3 times of sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. Before that, what we need to do is, before expanding, 2 times of sine power 6 theta in terms of sine square theta you have to write. So sine power 6 theta can be written as sine square theta whole cube plus even cos power 6 theta also cos square theta whole power 3 bracket close minus 3 times of sine power 4 theta and cos power 4 theta in terms of sine square theta and cos square theta. See here, sine square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square. There only in the first bracket, this is in the form of a cube plus b cube. Here I am giving the formula a cube plus b cube. That can be written as a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Keep in mind, dear students, a cube plus b cube. This is a, this is b. A cube plus b cube. This is a, this is b. For your convenience, I am writing. Even here also, a, it is b. A square, b square form. But also write it here. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So by using these two algebraic formulae, we are going to get the answer for this question. See, which is equal to 2 into, keep bracket, a plus b whole cube. That means sine square theta plus cos square theta whole cube minus 3 into AB. A means what? Sine square theta into cos square theta. into sin square theta plus cos square theta. Bracket close. That formula we applied. Come to second term. Minus 3 into sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square. A square plus b square. So sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square, a plus b whole square, minus 2ab, minus 2 into sin square theta into cos square theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1 from the identity of trigonometry. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So wherever the value is there, you can replace with 1. So 2 into 1 square 1 cube minus 3 into sin square theta into cos square theta into 1. Bracket close. Minus 3 into sin square theta plus cos square theta. Again this value. So 3 into 1 square minus 2 into sin square theta into cos square theta. So which is equal to 2 into 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. Bracket close. Minus 3 into 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. So actual multiplication. 2 into 1 minus 2 3 is 6 into sin square theta cos square theta. Minus 3 into 1 minus 3. Minus into minus plus 6 sin square theta cos square theta. So here minus 6 sin square theta cos square theta plus 6 sin square theta cos square theta get cancelled. 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 which is equal to minus 1. Therefore 2 into sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 3 into sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is equal to minus 1. I hope you understand it, students. We'll move on to the next question. The next question, and very important. This result also you have to remember as a standard result in trigonometry, dear students. Prove that tan theta plus cot theta whole square is equal to secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. That is equal to secant square theta into cosecant square theta. See, first LHS you have to consider. Tan theta plus cot theta whole square is equal to. So a plus b whole square formula. So tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 into tan theta into cot theta. So a plus b whole square formula we applied. So first a plus b whole square formula we applied. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. In the next step, here tan theta into cot theta is there. The reciprocal of tan is cot, reciprocal of cot is tan. So the product of these two is equal to 1. So it will becomes tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 into 1. So which is equal to tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2. In the next step, what we are going to do is 2 can be written as 1 plus 1 tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 1 plus 1. After that, 1 plus tan square theta one term, 1 plus cot square theta another term. So 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus tan square theta from identities of trigonometry. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. From that secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. Plus 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. So we got one of the solutions. So this is one of the RHS values. Again from this we can take it. That is also considered. Again consider secant square theta plus cosecant square theta is equal to secant square theta is the reciprocal of cos 1 by cos square theta. Cosecant square theta reciprocal of sine 1 by sine square theta. So take LCM here. Sine square theta into cos square theta. So cos square theta get cancelled. So sine square theta into 1 is sine square theta. Plus sine square theta get cancelled. Cos square theta into 1 is cos square theta. We know that sine square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So 1 by sine square theta into cos square theta. That also can be written as 1 by sine square theta into 1 by cos square theta. The reciprocal of sine is cosecant. The reciprocal of cos is secant. So secant square theta, this is secant square theta. Cosecant square theta into cosecant square theta. So this is required RHS. So therefore ultimately we can get it tan theta plus cot theta whole square is equal to secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. That is also equal to secant square theta into cosecant square theta. This is the result. One of the important results in trigonometry. Keep in mind, dear students. Hence proved. We'll move on to the another question. The next question and last question in this session, dear students, is a very important result. It may chances to ask in objective also MCQs question, but conceptually if you are perfect, you are able to do this question. In middle of the problem we will get some trigonometry concepts also. Listen carefully. Here tan theta plus sin theta equal to m. So given tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m and tan theta minus sin theta is equal to n. M square minus n square. Show that m square minus n square equal to m square minus n square, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So m plus n into m minus n. So m value is there, n value is there. So first we need to calculate m plus n is equal to m value tan theta plus sin theta plus n value tan theta minus sin theta. So plus sin theta minus sin theta get cancelled. Tan theta plus tan theta 2 tan theta. So therefore m plus n is equal to 2 tan theta. So it was clear. Similarly, the difference of these two you can calculate. What form we are calculating? M square minus n square is there. So m minus n is equal to tan theta plus sin theta minus n. So minus of this value, minus tan theta, minus of minus sin theta plus sin theta. So plus tan theta minus tan theta get cancelled. Sin theta plus sin theta 2 sin theta. Therefore, m minus n is equal to 2 sin theta. After getting these two important results, you have to consider LHS. LHS. M square minus n square is equal to m plus n into m minus n. M plus n into m minus n. So which is equal to 2 tan theta into 2 sin theta. So 2 into 2 4 into tan theta into sin theta. But in RHS 4 times of root mn is there. So I want to write in terms of root. So 4 into square root of tan square theta into sin square theta I am going to write. Meaning cannot be changed. No, the meaning is same. Root squares cancel, will get the same. In the next step, sin square theta in terms of cos we are going to write. So 4 times of root over tan square theta into 1 minus cos square theta. So LHS m square minus n square is equal to 4 times of root over tan square theta into 1 is tan square theta minus tan square theta into cos square theta. Tan square theta can be written as sin square theta by cos square theta. So 4 into root over tan square theta minus sin square theta divided by cos square theta into cos square theta. So here cos square theta get cancelled. So 4 into root of tan square theta minus sin square theta, that is equal to 4 into root of a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So tan theta plus sin theta into tan theta minus sin theta. Tan theta plus sin theta, what value it is there? It is there as a m. So 4 into root m. Tan theta minus sin theta value is what? N. So therefore 4 root mn, which is the required RHS. Therefore m square minus n square is equal to 4 root mn. This is the standard result, dear students, in terms of tan and sin. I hope this session you enjoyed. If you are really like this video, please share to your friends and relatives. For more videos of trigonometry or any matrices in the coming days, I am going to give that concept wise. And number of videos are there, second year, first year, IPE, chapter wise, exercise wise videos. You can share to your friends and relatives and those who needy in intermediate and JMNs, MSET, mathematics related, and CBSE 12th class integration, the differentiation types of questions also available in our channel. Please do subscribe and share to needy people. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Maths with Panindra.